It's facing the other way.
Beautiful snow in Colorado. It's cold.
Oh my gosh, it is crazy. Well, we tried to go to Walmart, but that is definitely not going to happen. I guess we're having a blizzard. So now we're walking back up to the apartments. Holy shit, that's crazy. Like,
more than the last time.
I can't tell, that's a
yeah.
ledge. Oh my gosh, that really hurt my hip. I should have brought my cane. But I'm trying not to walk with my cane, so I can strengthen that leg. Man, that's crazy. Well, we will be in Florida in 2 days, and I think that it probably didn't come soon enough, and hopefully we don't get this kind of snow tomorrow or Monday, so we can actually leave from Denver Airport. Man. Oh, we made it. It's really cold out there, guys. Oh my God.